Take a look at this. Where you and I may see a giant boulder in the side of a mountain, Brian and Yvette Ballou see the architectural centerpiece to their dream home of the future. The Ballous are about to break ground on an ongoing experiment to live in clean and natural comfort, all while making less of an impact on the environment. Hi, I'm Charlie Popek.
And hi, I'm Jill Burton. Welcome to Build It Green, where we're going to show you current and affordable ways to bring your home in tune with the environment.
We'll explore cutting-edge products and technologies like hydrogen-powered homes, as well as ancient building materials that have proven themselves through the ages, like adobe and straw bale. And
you don't have to be building your million-dollar dream home to take advantage of green building techniques. We'll go into existing homes and show you how you can save money on your current heating and cooling bills by installing your insulation correctly.
So join us as we help you build it green.
Hi, welcome back to Build It Green. We're here at this revolutionary building site. Brian and Yvette Ballou are building their dream home. Brian and Yvette, what made you decide to build this home?
Well, Yvette started having breathing problems.
Right, I started having some respiratory issues, and as we investigated further what was causing it, we learned that living in a sealed environment and the forced air were causing some sensitivities to me.
And we learned that things like sheetrock and wood and some of the insulations, carpeting, electrical issues could all be causing the problems. So we're going to eliminate all the things that can cause chemicals and bacteria and mold growth and start off with things that are just natural.
Okay, right now behind us we see a bunch of boulders and a few stakes on the ground. What is the process over the next 18 months that you're going to go through to build your home?
Well, we have an interesting excavation opportunity here because we have all the rocks and we don't want to take them down. Typically when you build in the desert, you blade everything that's there and take it away. We're going to leave as much as we can here.
You've talked about a lot of things with this house. It sounds like possibly a costly experience.
Right now it will be, yes. But the equipment that we're going to be using is not commercially available, so we have to use stuff that's built by scientists. Hopefully after we prove it works, then the rest of the world can use it. But we wanted a house that the materials and the way it was designed actually made you healthier.
We want a house that's healthy for our children and our family, and we think that our house will accomplish this.
We'll come back and visit Yvette and Brian frequently in the future to watch as their amazing home progresses.
We'll be right back with more ways to build it green.